Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to download my game on your iPhone. So as you all know that Apple just suspended my developer account for no reason, so all my games has been removed from the App Store. But today I will show you how to download my game with an alternative method. So in this method I'm gonna use Flek Store. This is a third-party app store for iOS, allowing users to install apps, games, tweaks, jailbreak apps, and more. It allows you to sideload apps on your iPhone, not only with Flek certificates, but also your own developer account or own certificate to sign apps. I've uploaded my game to this third-party app store, so let's go ahead and install Flek Store. Just press Get. Now here, if you want, you can use it in browser or install the app, and I recommend you to use it as app. Now press on the share button, scroll down and select from the menu add to home screen. Press add, and as you see, the app now should be on the home screen. Go ahead and open it. Okay, enable notifications if you want, and as you can see, there are many apps and games that you can download and install. This store allows you to easily install third-party apps without having to jailbreak your iOS device. You can install many apps with one tap. Before you can use Flek Pro, you need to add your device UDID. So go to the device option here and make sure to press on Add Device. Now it will ask you to download the configuration file. Press Allow. Now go to Settings to install the profile. Go to General. Scroll all the way down to Profile VPN Management. As you see, this is the profile. Go ahead and install it. Hit Install. Type your iPhone passcode and hit Install. And as you see, the device has been successfully added. Go back to Flek Store app, and as you see, now you should see your device. If you don't see your device here, just close and reopen the app. Okay, now to download my game, just go to the search here and search for The Runner Escape Deadly Maze. Now what you need to do is just press on Sign to sign the game and install it. Wait a few seconds. And now it will ask you to install the game. Just hit install. After that, just go to the home screen and you should see the game downloading. And that's it. Just wait for it to finish downloading. It will take some time depending on the internet speed you have. I will skip this. And as you see, the game is now installed. Just go ahead and open it and enjoy. So as you see, this is my game. It's the ultimate trap game that you can't win. It's really harder than you think, so make sure to give it a try. You can also install my game with Sideload or Troll Store. I hope you enjoy playing my games. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.